How to hide all your Facebook photos. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can hide all your Facebook photos. So let's dive in. So first open your Facebook app and click these three horizontal lines on the bottom right corner, and then you have to click your profile over here. Now it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to click these three dots right next to edit profile. Once you click it, it's going to bring you to your profile settings, and here you have to choose this activity log option. And now it's going to bring you to this page. Here you have to click your Facebook activity over here, click this arrow, and then you have to scroll through and click this post option. Click this arrow, and then you have to choose your posts, photos and videos. Once you click this option, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to just choose the photos that you want to hide. Just choose all your photos in the list, and once you have chosen all the photos, just make sure you choose the photos. You'll see you added a new photo with the date. Now click these three dots over here, and then you have to click change audience. Now click continue, and then it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to choose only me. And once you do so, it's going to be hidden from all the people over there. And you can also click these three dots and click hide from profile over here. Either you can just change the audience or hide it from your profile, and that's how you do it. Now just choose all the photos and hide it from your profile. Now go back, and now once you go back, you have to scroll through and find this option activity you're tagged in, and click this arrow over here, and then you have to choose this option photos and videos you're tagged in. And once you open this page, you'll see any photos and posts that you're tagged in. Just find the photos that you're tagged in and select them, and then you can just follow the same process that you did for the last one, like click the three dots and hide it from your profile. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.